Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can delete marketing campaign in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Shopify and then just click marketing here, and then you're gonna see all your campaigns here, right? So what you want to do is just simply click on one campaign and archive the campaign, and voila, here we got it. Or you can 3 dots and you can view campaign also. And then in campaigns, you're gonna see view archived campaigns. And there you're gonna see all the campaigns that are going to be stored here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you any. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.